Pull that, pull that suck ass up, you fucking sucker.
Federal regulations prohibit the use of cellular networks during flight, the use of Wi-Fi to make video or voice calls. Stow your tray table and carry on items. Ensure all armrests are in the resting position.
It's the pillow Jaru threw at me so fast. This way he was sick before we got him out of here.
Yo, as you can see in this video, 50 Cent Goons is definitely trolling Ja Rule right now on this flight. It's wild that 50 Cent and Ja Rule have been beefing for years. I mean, it's over 2 decades. Still haven't reconciled yet. It's wild. But in this clip, Tony Yayo and another former G-Unit member trolled Ja Rule, made Ja Rule leave his seat on a flight.
This way he was sick before we got him out of here.
That's crazy. When you troll somebody so much that they have to leave their seat on a flight, that's wild. And these guys, it's just showing that this beef is a never-ending beef, really. It's so much going on. 50 Cent clapped at Irv when Irv passed away. 50 Cent have no remorse in this beef. Do y'all think 50 Cent should ease up at this point, or he should keep going? But you have the clip right here. They trolled Ja Rule so much, he came out of seat. And that's crazy. Because isn't that federal or something like that? But that's wild. They took his pillow. They said he's pillow soft.
It's the pillow Ja Rule threw at me so fast. This way he was sick before we got him out of here.
That's wild. Ja Rule, I pray one day they treat you better, bro. I sympathize with you. I really do. I don't know where y'all beef coming from, but as black men, this probably need to end soon, because it's not looking good between y'all. Like, you can see it on Ja Rule's face. Ja Rule life is miserable. Anybody know the history of hip-hop? Before 50 Cent came on the scene, Ja Rule was that guy. I mean, he had hits after hits with Ashanti, other artists, Fat Joe, everybody. But since 50 Cent came on the scene and 50 Cent wrote him off, it's been done for Ja Rule. But y'all get in the comment section. Should 50 Cent have some mercy on Ja Rule, or keep putting his foot on Ja Rule's neck? And I know a lot of people going to say, keep putting his foot on Ja Rule's neck. It's crazy. This beef will never, never end. Please remember to hit the subscribe button. I'm out, y'all.
Pull that suck ass up, you fucking sucker.
Federal regulations prohibit the use of cellular networks during flight, the use of Wi-Fi to make video or voice calls. Stow your tray table and carry on items. Ensure all armrests are in the resting position.
It's the pillow Jaru threw at me so fast. This way he was sick before we got him out of here.